Hi, my name is Jesse Diaz. I am an art teacher at Foster Elementary. I'll be working on the identity box inspired by the Frida Kahlo, Diego Rivera, and Mexican Modernism exhibition. So I'm working on the brainstorming, and for the external stuff, where I'm gonna begin, 5 words that describe me. Number 1 is artist. Number 2 is I am loyal, family, humorous, Chicano. And now for the internal stuff. Something that I've had to overcome is a lot of loss and dealing with grief. And the thing I feel most proud of is this, where I am right now, what I'm doing. I'm a teacher, a father, a friend, and I get to be a part of this phenomenal project. The vessel that I chose is a coffin. When I was younger, I had the opportunity to go to Day of the Dead in Mexico with my parents, and it left a big imprint on me as an artist. First step that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay out my box so that I can outline it. I'm going to cut out my canvas pieces. I'm going to draw mountains. Another thing that I really enjoy about the mountains is being able to see the ocean. And I've always had this affinity for lighthouses. The Denver Art Museum is one of my favorite buildings because of what's in it, but also the outside of it. So I do like to bike ride, anything outdoorsy. Skiing is also very fun. The last one, I will do my family. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start painting, and I typically start with primary colors. I like to show my students that you can just start with the primary colors and then add on to it as needed. So my next step is to take my cardboard and its corresponding canvas, set them on top of each other like this, and gluing them down. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna set my pieces up facing down next to the base. I'm gonna put some tape on the seams just to make sure they hold. And now for the inside, put some glue down. Now I just take strips and just kind of put them down. And then at this point, it's where I take my marker and I write down those words that I've had to overcome. So being able to think about my identity for this project kind of forced me to discover more about who I am as a Mexican, as a Chicano, as a teacher, and how I'm gonna use that to help my students discover who they are. And there, I believe, is the finished product. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me, and I really hope you enjoy making your identity box. Thanks a lot.